Ever wanted your Samsung app icons to look clean, modern, and super aesthetic with a monochrome style like this? Trust me, once you see the final result, you'll never want to go back. Let me show you how easy it is. Alright, first things first. Make sure you already have Good Lock or Fine Lock installed on your phone. Both apps are available on the Play Store, so just grab one of them if you haven't already. Next, open Good Lock and install a module called Theme Park. If you already have it, make sure it's updated to the latest version. I'll put the update link in the description so you don't have to search for it. Now open Theme Park and at the bottom, tap on the icon menu. From here, tap Create New to start customizing your icons. Choose the icon shape you like. This part is totally up to your taste, so pick whatever looks best for you. After that, tap on Icon, then enable the Monochrome option. Here's where the magic starts. Pick the color you want. For this tutorial, I'm going with black to get that clean monochrome look. Next, tap on Effects. Choose the Emboss effect, set the shadow to 25%, and then adjust the icon color again. I'll choose black one more time to keep everything consistent. Once you're happy with the result, tap the Save button in the top right corner. Give your new icon theme a name, then tap OK. After it's saved, just tap on your new icon theme and hit Apply. And boom, done! Your Samsung app icons now look way cooler with that sleek monochrome vibe. So simple, right? But here's the real question. Which monochrome color would you choose next? Black, white, gray, or something more unique? Stick around because you might get inspired sooner than you think.